Welcome. In this video we are going to bypass user access control, that is UAC, in targeted system. It is a post exploitation, hence attacker must exploit targeted system at first, then escalate UAC protection bypass via COM handler hijack. This module will bypass Windows UAC by utilizing the trusted publisher certificate through process injection. It will spawn a second shell that has the UAC flag turned off. Firstly, exploit the target to receive meterpreter session of victim system. Once you get the meterpreter session 1, let's open up terminal, type sessions. Here you can see that I already created session with YTPC. Now let's search our bypass module into the MSF. So type search bypass. Here you can see that bypass module. Let's copy it and load it into MSF. Type info. Target options as Windows 86 and Windows 64. Basic options as session. The session to run this module on. The technique to use if US is turned off. Module description. Type session. Here you can see that one active session is present. You can see that target OS is x86. Type set target 0. Now set session 1, which is active session ID. Type show option. You see that all required options are set. Here you see bypass Windows UAC by utilizing the trusted publisher certificate through process injection. The exploiting has failed, no problem. Let's re-execute it. You will get meterpreter session. Type exploit. Here you can see that meterpreter is opened. So that's it in this video on bypass UAC, that is bypass Windows UAC in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.